everyone. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study the seismic effect on the building design. This is G plus 23 story building, and in the previous video, we have studied the wind effect, and we have run the analysis, and we have seen. And in this video, I will show you seismic effect. Before starting the analysis, I will show you some procedure how the properties I have assigned or defined in the particular project. Okay, with the reference of IS 1893 I will show you some of the properties how I have affected. Okay, now let's start. Now let's start. Go to the define menu. In the load patterns, look, I have defined seismic load. Okay, now here click and go to the modify lateral loads. Okay, here you have been selected X and Y direction since seismic effect should be shown in the both the direction. Okay, and now this value how it is came. One, this is site type importance factor. This is came via this IS code. Okay, since we are building in the building this design in the Bangalore zone, therefore it is blue, therefore zone 2, and via this IS code we have defined many of the values here. Okay, now clicking here. Okay, and going to the define menu, again seeing some different property which I have been assigned. Go to the load combinations, go to the add default, and here I have to add the default values, that is concrete frame design. Okay, click on OK. Now we will run the analysis. Okay, for the running the analysis we have to run only dead live and seismic load cases. Okay, now go to the analyze menu and set load cases to run. Okay, and here we have to deactive here this run, and we have to response spectrum we have to do not run. Okay, since we have to run this only seismic effect. Okay, now click on run. Now let's see. Now you will see here in the corner there is preparing the running analysis, and here the details you can see. Few minutes, and after the analysis I will show you the result. Since analysis has been done, and you can see the displacement values of the different on the slabs. See the displacement values. You can right click and see and modify the various options so that you can use. Also you can go to the design menu, concrete frame design, and check the design and you have to check the design check that all the members are passed or not. Okay, go to the design menu, go to the concrete frame design. First check revise preferences, it is set to the Indian standard IS 45000 or not for the concrete. Okay, click on OK. Again go design, concrete frame design, start design check. Wait for a minute. Since click on OK. Here your design is under process. As you can see here, the ETAP software is auto selecting the properties which is required for the building. As you can see that 19 concrete frames are returned, therefore you have to click yes, and again you have to run the analysis. Since until unless you all pass the members, you can show the error, then you have to change the dimensions so the perfect dimension will allow when it will pass the members. After design check, again you have to go to the design tab, design menu, and click on the concrete frame design and verify all members are passed or not. Click as the message display the all concrete members are passed the design check. Click on OK. That means we have completed the analysis. Now we will study about by the response spectrum method. Now I am unlocking since my analysis has been done now. Okay, go to the define menu. Go to the define menu, go to load cases. Go to the define menu, go to the load cases, and click on the response spectrum method. Look the properties is it properly held or not. I have assigned here the values of scale factor and all. Click on OK. After that, go to the analyze menu. Go to analyze menu, set load cases to analyze. Now active only response spectrum and do not run all the okay, do not run, only we have to run response spectrum. Now click run. Now as you can see, the analysis under process. After the analysis has been done, you can see the displacement value of the different slab and the columns from here on the cursor. After the analysis has been done, we have to check the design check that all members have passed or not by response spectrum method. Click on the design menu, concrete frame design, check the revised preference that is set to the IS456. Click on OK. And then again click on design menu, concrete frame design, and click the start design check. So the design is under process. As you can see, after completing the design check, you have to go to the design menu and concrete frame design, and under that we have to verify all members have sustained the load or not. Since you look here message that all concrete frame passed the design check. Now click on OK. Similarly, in this manner, we can also analyze our design with the help of time history method by defining the function as time history, and again with the same procedure by uploading the file we can analyze. After the complete analysis, we can generate the report by clicking in this report tab, and here in the project report, as you can see that project report has been generated, and you can print if you have premium version, and you can save your data. Thank you for your attention.